I don't know how I feel about this video. This is the last time I'm going to be introing a video in the wagon. I decided a couple nights, or last week, that it was a good idea to probably list it for sale. Just because with my goals, this car is just not going to really offer what I want to do with cars. I have another build that's lined up that I'm probably going to be revealing next video. So yeah, we're gonna head over to Will's. I'll pick up the camera when we get to his house, and yeah, this is gonna be weird. It's gonna be hard to let go of it for sure, but on to bigger things, I suppose. Alright, we're at William's house. I hear him coming. Hello. I don't know if they've met the 240 yet.
I don't think they have either.
This is it.
This is the piece of shit. Like, I got plates, but I can't even drive it.
Rip.
Yeah. Gotta go by. I mean, I can't be going anywhere, but...
Yeah.
They haven't beat the fucking Corolla either.
Yeah, I haven't even met the Corolla yet. Can we use your torque wrench to tighten the wheels? Because I kind of forgot to do that before.
Fine.
Dude, rip the wagon.
You know these are 5x100? These wheels?
Oh, it's gone. So sad. The last time you'll see the Mark IV, dude. I mean, hopefully we'll see it at shows or something, but...
Fine.
Well, I guess on to the next project.
Yeah.
The Mark IV is gone, man. I'm done with the chassis, and it's kind of weird.
It is weird.
Like, I'm done.
You told me you were selling this car and it's already gone. Like, what? You just fucking listed
I
this
listed
shit.
it last night.
And it's already gone. What the
fuck,
hell?
dude? Alright. Yeah, we're gonna... It's gone. How do we feel?
Kind of sad.
Yeah,
But
I'm, like...
Excited.
I don't know how to feel right now, to be honest with you.
Kind of sad, but excited.
Oh my word.
Really dark. Dark. Is this a stock Toyota Corolla?
Corolla. Daily
Dude, we're
things.
going so fast right now.
Gapped.
Facts.
Alright guys, so we just got home from selling the wagon, and as you saw in the last couple clips, it's gone. I'm really excited for the new build. We got a fat stack of cash going right into it, and yeah, so I'm not really sure what else to really put in this video. Really, the reason why I sold the car was because I just felt like I'd capped myself out driving ability wise, mechanic ability wise, you know, general repair, stuff like that. I wanted to learn a new platform, learn how to work on a new platform. And I feel like just my thing is drag racing, and I feel like that car just was very limited in the drag racing aspect. With that being said, the new build is going to be only a drag race oriented type build. However, I'm trying to keep it as like a street car, you know, creature comforts with the fast drag car aspect, and that's really all I'm going to give you guys to work on right now. Because I'm gonna wait until either one, some parts start stacking up, or until I have enough content to make a video with it and reveal it to you guys. But I don't want to jump the gun and reveal something that's not going to be worked on for a while. I don't know when I'm going to start this project, but we'll see. Hopefully the timeline is short and I can start ordering parts really soon. That's the goal. We'll cross our fingers, but I can't make any promises because sometimes shit happens. So with that being said, the wagon's gone. We're moving on. On to bigger things, I guess. It is definitely going to be a weird transition. I'm going to miss the car a lot because it was a lot of fun. But, yeah. Let me know what you guys think about the wagon being sold. I will say this. The wagon went fast. It was listed for a day and a half and sold tonight. So, yesterday morning-ish, around 11:30, 12, I posted the car up just for shits and giggles. It might have been the night before, so like 1 or 2 days. And the car is sold for $200 under asking price, which I can't complain with. I broke even and made money with the car, and now it's time to move on to the new build. Stay tuned if you want to find out what it is, and we'll catch you on the next one.